Ever wish you could go on a tropical vacation? Sometimes we just can't get away. Katie here from Simply Earth, and I'm going to share with you a way that you can escape to a tropical getaway in your own home with our Lava Essential Oil Diffuser Blend. So let's get started with what's in this blend. This blend is made up of grapefruit, blood orange, hoe wood, and sandalwood essential oils. Grapefruit is energizing and uplifting. When you diffuse it, it can help you exude joy, and this brings that tropical feel to the blend. Blood orange has a sharp orange aroma that brings to that tropical feel and is also uplifting and energizing. Hoe wood essential oil helps bring the aromas together in this blend. It has a fruity and woody aroma, just like a palm tree. Sandalwood essential oil is the last oil in this blend. This oil is a base note. That means it helps slow down the evaporation rate of the blend and hold it all together. We love Lava Essential Oil Blend here at Simply Earth for its amazing aroma. We can't stop talking about it. We love putting it in the diffuser, but it's also great in other DIY recipes that relate to skincare or cleaning or room fresheners. On our blog in our description box, you can take a look at some of the recipes we've made with Lava Essential Oil Blend. These include our Happy Day Body Spray, our Daydream Roll-On, I Lava You Essential Oil Blend, and our Hope for Tomorrow Roll-On. So let's make sure you know how to use this blend safely. Our Lava Essential Oil Blend is really unlikely to cause skin irritation when you dilute it properly. So take a look at our dilution chart that we have linked to in the description box. This essential oil blend is safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. Since this blend contains citrus oils, we don't recommend using it around cats, but it should be safe to be used around your dog. Whenever you're using essential oils, make sure you're doing it in an open room. If you have a pet, this allows them to leave if the aroma distresses them and helps make sure that the smell doesn't get too overwhelming. I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist with Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils, and I can't wait to see what you do with Lava Essential Oil Blend. For more ways to use essential oils, subscribe to our recipe box at simplyearth.com/box.